Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic, that is how to add transition on video in OpenShot Video Editor. So let's see step by step. First import the video from your PC or laptop. If you don't know how to import the video or image into the project file, then I made a separate video. You can check it from there. So let's see step by step. First, place the video on track 1. Then play the video. First place the video on track 1, then play the video. There are some common transition available, so we check first that this is in to out. So we'll place this on video. Check the effect. There is a out to in. Then we check bottom to top. So we can use this transition as per the requirement, how we want to display. Accordingly we can change the transition. It is useful to show some effect. Then this one left to right. There are some other transition available, so we can check it that also. It is square left. Check this. Check. We will check this one. then this board. You can choose anything from this. We'll check this circle, spiral. So in this way we can add a transition on the video. Hope this video is useful to you. Please like, subscribe to the channel for the more tech related video. Thank you.